Ever wondered how long it takes to withdraw cash from a spaceship? Imagine this: you're a galactic traveler, zooming through the cosmos. You've just had a stellar adventure, and it's time to restock your supply of intergalactic snacks. But how do you pay for them? Is there a cosmic ATM? The reality of space finance. Well, the short answer is, not quite. While we've made significant strides in space exploration, we haven't quite figured out how to install a 24/7 intergalactic bank branch on the International Space Station. The challenges of space commerce. So, what's the holdup? Why can't astronauts simply swipe their cards and withdraw cash? The weight of money, every ounce counts in space. Physical currency, even in small amounts, adds unnecessary weight to a spacecraft. The security dilemma: ensuring the security of financial transactions in a zero-gravity environment poses unique challenges. The technological hurdle: developing reliable and efficient payment systems that can function in the harsh conditions of space requires significant technological advancements. Alternative payment methods for space travelers. While we may not have space ATMs, astronauts do have ways to manage their finances. Digital wallets: astronauts can use digital wallets to store and transfer funds electronically. These wallets are secure and can be accessed remotely. Corporate accounts: for missions funded by space agencies or private companies, funds are often directly transferred to the mission's account. Future possibilities: as space exploration advances, we may see the development of innovative payment systems, such as blockchain-based currencies or biometrics-based authentication. The future of space commerce. The future of space commerce is exciting and full of possibilities. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we'll undoubtedly develop more sophisticated and efficient ways to conduct financial transactions. Perhaps one day, we'll have a network of interstellar banks, offering a range of financial services, from loans to investments. But for now, the reality of space finance is a bit more grounded. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.